This is the coolest home you're gonna see all week. Spanning over 200 feet end to end, this home offers a perfect blend of modern luxury and old Florida charm.
Sitting on a private acre with towering oak trees, this 5,000 square foot home features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a massive lagoon-style pool you won't want to miss.
Check this out.
Inside, you'll find beautiful oak wood floors, Brazilian cherry block flooring, and terrazzo tile, all complemented by cypress tongue and groove ceilings and crown molding. Every detail has been updated, including recessed lighting, impact glass windows, and fresh paint throughout.
The chef's kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinetry, with a seamless flow into the dining and living areas. The wood-burning fireplace adds to the ambiance of this timeless home.
The primary suite is a private retreat with pool views, a spa-like ensuite bath, and a spacious walk-in closet. The home offers 4 additional bedrooms on a split floor plan.
Now, let's talk about this backyard, your very own tropical oasis. A massive lagoon-style pool with a diving board, spa, and beach area, all surrounded by flagstone paving and lush landscaping.
You've got a summer kitchen, a cabana bath, an outdoor shower, and 5 sliding doors leading inside, perfect for entertaining. Plus, with 2 laundry rooms, this home is as functional as it is beautiful.
With a new metal roof, 2 brand new AC systems, 2 new water heaters, and Bahama shutters, this home is move-in ready. Homes like this don't come available often. Private, updated in just minutes from the beach.
If this feels like the one, let's schedule a private tour.